Sticky notes aren't just for reminders. Let me show you 10 genius hacks you've never seen before. Let's go. DIY sticky note tweezer. Just grab a clear sticky note. Wrap it around 2 toothpicks. And boom! You've got yourself a mini tweezer. Cute, right? Hack number 2. Need a quick pen holder? Remove the backing, flip the sticky part over, and attach it anywhere you want. Instant holder, zero cost. Hack number 3. Hack number 4. This one's weirdly satisfying. Wrap a sticky note around your nail cutter, and you've made a mini trash bin. Clip and toss. Hack number 5. Baby at home? Use sticky notes to block off dangerous corners or sockets. It's not perfect, but it's a quick temporary fix. Hack number 6. Color coding is a game changer. Blue for personal. Yellow for school. Orange for urgent. And green for your to-do list. Hack number 7. Mark your favorite pages or jot quick notes, all without damaging your book. Yes, sticky notes save the day again. First, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check